The haunting echo of a bugling elk will stir the heart of most any big game hunter. But elk hunts can be truly challenging, not only physically, but also in gaining access to prime hunting areas. This is where these professional outfitters can be a tremendous asset. They can put you in the best locations, help with calling that trophy bull into range, and assist you in packing your trophy back to camp. Many of the outfitters offer guaranteed tags in legendary elk territory. So choose an area and start planning your hunt of a lifetime now.